problem were you trying to solve to start this project?
So we had a problem of making a marketplace. So from Bajaj, we wanted to experiment. It becomes a major traffic driver for us. So we wanted to experiment. We have all the fintech products, but we learned from likes of Amazon and Flipkart. Those are huge customer base. So we always venture into the market. We can put the platform for all the customers. We can use our finance products and other products. So it's a big kind of step for us to go into that area, and that is where we decided to do it, and then we collaborated with them.
Right. So what was it like working with Embitel?
Actually, it was great. So Embitel, when I started the project, in fact, I started working with a couple of partners in order to drive this forward. And I will tell you, the kind of colleagues we got from Embitel, they are fantastic. Basically, they try to solve problems and all the given tasks along with. I mean, I didn't have to tell them or drive them. They are very much focused and they work with us not like a partner. We are working with one team. So it is indeed a great experience actually.
Right. That's great to hear. In fact, we really try hard to make sure that we become a part of our customer team than working with a vendor-customer relationship. It's great to know that. So while this at the operational level we work as a team, but how do you see that we are aligned to your business objectives?
Yeah, so at Bajaj we focus on transparency, execution at speed, agility, and also keeping focused on the bigger picture. And in my view, when working with Embitel, we collaborated very well. We keep everything transparent. We work as one team, and every business problem that came to our table to solve it, and Embitel stood there in order to solve it. So I'm quite happy in the way we have aligned for everything what we do, and that collaboration has got us here so far, and we have a long journey to cover as well, and that is why we see it stronger day by day. So it is a fantastic thing.
So basically we see that the team is very well aligned with the management's goal and their thought process and their visions. Not from that long-term perspective, at least what is it they're going to achieve, or what is that they which direction they tend to go in what they do. Right? I mean, translating the business objective to the task level is a big challenge, especially with two different organizations working as a team.
Absolutely. I think that has been one of the major success factors. How did we do? I mean, the colleagues, the guys working in the team, as well as the management from Embitel, they have been really supportive. They took the problem, when we discuss the problem, they acknowledge it, and there is a real work goes on in order to fix it, because since it is a bigger team, we have dispersed across location. It's a distributed team working multi-partner organization. And this COVID happened, and then with the COVID, everybody has to work from home. But despite all those obstacles, I think from management to employee, everybody pitched in wherever they needed to, and we made it a great success so far. And today, from Bajaj, we are counting big on this marketplace to take it forward.
Wonderful. This also for one more question. I think we both as an organization been working for almost 8+ years now, at least. And it's always been that, it's been a distant relationship in that sense, right? How easy or how difficult it has been just because two teams are sitting apart?
I think in today's model, it works perfectly well. Of course, at the first side, you want everybody to be together, but that is not practically possible, because everybody is from different location, and when you are such a big team, this is expected that people will be working from different location. While availability and collaboration, I never faced a challenge. Somebody was there all the time. So be it something goes for a toss on a weekend and we need to fix it, I think everybody's there. Then there, and it was never a case where I had to reach the management in order to call for a person to be available. The person themselves took the responsibility and ownership. That worked pretty well so far. So we had started this project as a POC project. It was just a proof of concept, and here we are. We have traffic coming in 4 lakhs customer every day. That is huge if you see the journey we have made. That is why I said we are counting within this project.
So I can't resist to ask this question. Why would you recommend Embitel to somebody else?
I think any customer or any business house, they want to build something and they have return on investment in mind, they have to have a timeline in mind, and they want to work with a partner whom they can count on. So they have the confidence of the delivery, they have right people in the right place so that they can focus on their original business. That is the fundamental of collaborating with the services companies like Embitel. And I think Embitel is right there on spot. So in my experience, I have worked with multiple partners, and interestingly, I will rate Embitel the highest because the way we collaborated, the way we received the response, the way we define things together, the way we build the roadmap together, it is a fully transparent way of working, and we are pretty happy to do that. And I'm pretty sure any client would love to do that, and I'll be happy to refer to anyone if they come into the same area, same services. Why not?